Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Anam and you're watching Biology Nexus. So today we are talking about the virus, what actually virus is and what is the basic thing that you should know about the virus. Very short and very basic information I share with you. So let's start. I think it's a good time to tell you that what causes cold and such other diseases. So that's why we talk about the virus. The bacterium is very tiny organism, right? And the virus is so small and it's invisible even to a bacterium. And unlike the bacterium, viruses have no cytoplasm, no nucleus, or anything. And it has very basic DNA structure by covering an outer protein shell and fats. So that's why viruses can't even be considered a living organism. They are actually not living, and even they float around. And you know what? Only once they enter into a host, they actually start reproducing. They reproduce over there and they enter into the cell via cell membrane, and the replication rate is very fast actually. We can say even the army of the cell is reproduced and they affect the whole cell. So once it enters into the cell, it infects the whole cell, and that infected cell actually releasing this virus and affect the other cells, and we can say the whole body infected by this virus. So that's why we got sick, and that's why infection spread. Okay, this is all about the some basic and short information about the viruses, what actually virus is, and how it reproduce, and how it affect the cells, or we can say the whole body. Very short and very basic. Hope so you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.